Welcome to today's session on yoga for flexibility. If your body feels stiff when you wake up, if sitting for long hours has made your hips tight, or your back sluggish, this flow is for you. Over the next few minutes, we'll gently stretch every major muscle group from your spine to your hamstrings, from your chest to your hips. These 12 poses are carefully chosen to release tension, improve mobility, and help your body move with more ease and grace. You don't need to be flexible to start. You become flexible because you start. So, grab your mat, breathe deeply, and allow your body to open gradually one stretch at a time. Let's begin. 1. Cat-cow pose. Start on all fours. As you inhale, drop your belly and open your chest. As you exhale, arch your back toward the ceiling. This gentle motion lubricates your spine, awakens your back muscles, and prepares your body for deeper stretches. Perfect for boosting flexibility through the entire spinal column. 2. Standing. Forward bend. From standing, fold forward, letting your head and arms drop down. Stay relaxed. Let gravity help you stretch your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. The longer you hold, the more your body releases hidden tension. 3. Low lunge. Step 1 foot forward, lower the opposite knee to the mat, and sink your hips down. Lift your chest and arms upward. This pose deeply stretches your hip flexors and quadriceps, essential areas that tighten from sitting all day. 4. Wide-legged forward bend. Open your legs wide, inhale tall, and fold forward from the hips. This pose targets your inner thighs, hamstrings, and lower back while increasing circulation through the legs and spine. 5. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach, hands under shoulders. Slowly lift your chest while keeping your hips grounded. This stretch opens your chest, lengthens your abdominal muscles, and enhances spinal mobility. 6. Seated forward bend. Extend both legs forward and fold from the hips. Avoid rounding the back. Too much. Instead, lengthen forward. This pose improves flexibility in the hamstrings, calves, and entire back chain. 7. Butterfly pose. Join the soles of your feet together and gently press your knees toward the mat. This pose stretches the inner thighs and groin, helping release stored stiffness in the pelvic area. 8. Pigeon pose. Bring one leg forward folded at the front and extend the other leg straight behind. Lean forward if comfortable. This deep hip opening stretch is ideal for enhancing lower body flexibility and relieving emotional tension held in the hips. 9. Triangle pose. Stand wide, extend arms, and hinge sideways while keeping both legs straight. This pose stretches the sides of your body, hamstrings, and spine, while also helping improve core stability and posture. 10. Camel pose. Stand on your knees, place hands on your heels, and arch backward. This intense stretch increases flexibility in the chest, shoulders, spine, and quadriceps. Maintain steady breathing to avoid strain. 11. Supine spinal twist. Lie on your back, draw one knee across the body, and stretch arms wide. This relaxing pose improves spinal flexibility and releases lower back tension. Hold gently and feel the twist flow through your entire spine. 12. Extended puppy pose. Start on all fours and walk your hands forward, lowering your chest but keeping your hips above knees. This beautiful pose stretches the spine, shoulders, and chest while calming your nervous system. Well done for completing this flexibility practice. Take a moment to sit tall, close your eyes, and notice how much lighter your body feels. With every stretch, you released not only tight muscles, but also stored tension and stress. Consistency is the secret. Even just a few minutes daily can transform how your body moves and feels. If you enjoyed this session, tap like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little more flexibility in life, both physically and mentally. Comment below which pose helped you the most, and I'll see you in the next session. Until then, keep moving, keep breathing, and stay flexible.